Okay, so we're going to talk about mining and forging. So, pretty much the purpose of doing this is to see those pluses. So, this is +2, this is +1. So, I'm still learning a lot about this game too, but I'm assuming the higher that the number is, the more it increases per time. So this is +1, and then this is +2. And so I'm not really sure how that's calculated, but basically 1 is better than none, and 2 is better than 1, and then there's actually +3 too. And so in order to upgrade these, you need ore, which I'm going to show you today where you can get the ore. So the green one's level 1, the orange one is level 2, and then the blue gray looking one is level 3. Okay, and we're going to do those in order. So you can see right here, that one is 1, this ore right here is 2, and then this ore is 3. I just mined 100 of those. So I'll show you kind of what the process of making stuff, how that goes. So once you have enough ore, you will click the one you want and then trade. Okay, and then so there it is right there, boom. Okay, so now you go to the equipment that you want, and so I want to upgrade my chest piece, right? So I am going to go to upgrade item. Put this right here. I've got to upgrade item. I want to upgrade this one because it's the one I got the card in. And then you basically have to have 2 of the same pieces in order to do it. And then this one, well, I guess that's the first one. I'm not really sure. And then look. Okay, so every 10, that must be what it is. So every 10 points, every 10 you get 1. So it's a 10-to-1 ratio, I guess, for the upgrade. So I'm assuming that the next one would be 10. Anyway, so now it costs 49,000, and this goes up per level here. So I think the level 2 is 75,000. So it's pretty expensive. So you only want to do it on stuff that you're going to be using for quite a while. So I'm kind of just doing this for testing purposes. But all right, wish me luck. Here we go. Damn it. Okay, so we failed. Broke the materials. So you get to keep the item, luckily, but unfortunately you have to go back and farm more ore, make another bar, and then you have to get another item in order to redo this. So, okay, that kind of sucks. But we're going to go again, so whatever. Now, first thing you need to do when you're going to try and get ore to do this is you need a pickaxe, okay? The first one, it says pickaxe. Second one, dwarven pickaxe, better pickaxe. Best pickaxe, okay? I don't know. It doesn't really seem like they're that much different. I've got the best one and kind of feels the same as the other one did. So anyway, I think I don't really know why you get the better ones. You're probably just fine with the regular one. Now, so for the first mine, you're going to come over here, east of the village. Shoot, wrong way. So you're going to come a little bit south of here. Down this way. So you're going to come in this cave right here. You go past these guys. Talk to this guy. You got to be level 10 to get in here. And really, if you're that low, you probably shouldn't even be messing with this kind of thing. But you could probably sell it to higher level players. I mean, I'd buy ore off somebody for sure. That's another story. So anyway, you click this, and then you click each one, and then it'll do a little mining loading bar thing, and then they'll be boom in your inventory. So we'll try this again. So I'm gonna click it. You do this little thing, and then boom. Now I've got 8 of these. See, and that's, you basically have to get to 100, and then you go and you make the bar. Okay. So, coming back out here, that's the level 1 mine for the first bar. And now I'm going to show you where the second one is. So, if you're VIP, you can just come in here to the VIP, the inn, and click the one that says snow. It's the top right one. But for everybody else, I'm gonna run there manually. That way you know how to get there. And unfortunately for the third one, I don't even know how to get there besides going through the VIP place. And quite frankly, you do not want to do the level 3 one until you get a lot higher level anyway. Shit, I think I went the wrong way. Oh, here it is. Because level 3, it's in a stronger area, and you really don't need to upgrade lower equipment to level 3. You know what I mean? So level 1, level 2, sure, whatever, but level 3 stuff you probably aren't gonna want to do. So you come to the snow place, all right? And then from the snow place, you basically head northwest, up past these baby frost dragons, up through this little place. There's a big dragon right here. Run past him. Say no thank you. Not interested. Come over here. So, and then this is the level 2 ore right here. Boom. All right. So now we're going to. Oh, I'm actually gonna just. Well, I don't know what's going on here. I'm just going to use my return items. So you can buy the return items in the shop. I've only got one left, unfortunately. They're 50 coins, but... Alright, so this is how you get to the level 3 one. I only know how to get to there from the VIP area. So you go to this Daramar. Go to there. Come up here. And this is how I find it, okay? So from the well, right here, you basically come over here to this little crack and go straight up. And there was a guy, I think his name was Nitrix. He helped me find this. I was struggling. I was running all over through here. And finally I talked to him, and he's like, oh, follow me. And we had a little bit of a hard time finding it too. And then I kind of backtracked and figured out anyway, this is what I came up with. So this is the way I go. Come up here, just follow this mountain around. Follow the mountain around. And then, boom, Celestium Mine. Click all this. Alright, apparently I didn't get any on that one. Not really sure how this whole thing works, but that's kind of frustrating. Because I got the best pickaxe and... I didn't get any. Okay, I think I got 1 on that one. So yeah, level 3 must just be a lot more challenging. I'm not really sure. Okay, I got 3 on that one. I'm not sure how that works. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you upgrade items, and that's where all the mines are.